So you're looking for maintenance training for your community. Stay tuned to find out how that works. Hi Smarties, if you're looking for smart apartment solutions for your community, hit the subscribe button below and the bell. So we have a very skilled team of maintenance professionals here at Smart Apartment Solutions. Our team has over 25 years of experience. They are really jack of all trades as far as maintenance, HVAC, on-site training. Our maintenance supervisors are here to make sure that your maintenance community are at the top of their game. We have a standardized industry punch list that each maintenance supervisor takes on site, and it goes over the unit turn process, the punch list, things that need to be done. They also go over the on-site training that can help build more of a skill set. Some of the certifications that we have in place to make sure that our maintenance staff can train your people is everyone has to be EPA certified. They also are instructors that teach our clients and different management companies about the HVAC certifications, and then the on-site training of it, because it's two different parts of it. It's first the classroom instruction part and then the hands-on skill sets that they learn once they get their HVAC certification. You should work with Smart Apartment Solutions to have one of our maintenance supervisors come out and train your team, because we've invested the time and money to make sure that our maintenance staff are trained. We make sure that we understand the industry standards. We go through and make sure they have CPO, which is a certified pool attendant certification, the EPA, understanding what it is like to supervise, and continuing the education aspect of learning in this field. For more information for your community on how to get a maintenance professional out to your site, please click the link below. Until then, get smart with Smart Apartment Solutions.